are you all children? I think you all are keeping well, isn't it? So please take care of yourself, take care of your health also. Okay children? Alright. Now let us start maths class. Today again we are going to continue with chapter number 11. If you remember in the last class I introduced you about geometrical shapes. And I also told you that in this class we are going to learn a few topics like about line, point, and then plane figures, then solid figures. We will also learn about some curved lines, straight lines, etc. Isn't it? So I am here again with a new topic, and as you can see on the board I have drawn some shapes. Okay. So I think you are familiar with these shapes. Still let us take a recap and we'll try to recall whatever we have learnt in the previous class. As you can see here, I have drawn 4 shapes. The first shape, as you can see here on the board, it is called the square shape. Why is it called square? Why this shape is called square? Because you see, first of all, first and the foremost thing you will see, they have 4 sides. How many sides it has? 4 sides. A square has 4 sides. You will say, ma'am, rectangle also has 4 sides. But what is the difference between rectangle and square? The difference is that in square, all 4 sides are equal. In squares, all the 4 sides are equal. So, the first figure which is shown on the board is called square, and in square all 4 sides are equal. Okay. Now coming to the next figure, you can see here the next figure is rectangular or rectangle figure. Here also you will find the number of sides are 1, 2, 3, 4. But what is the difference? You will find in rectangle there are 2 long sides, okay, they are called length, and 2 short sides, they are called breadth. The longer sides are called the length and the shorter sides are called the breadth. So you will see in rectangle the 2 opposite sides are equal. Okay, so in rectangle what have you seen? They also have 4 sides, but the opposite 2 sides are equal. 2 opposite sides like 1 and 3 is equal to each other. 2 and 4 are equal to each other. That means breadth and breadth are equal. Length and length are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Okay. So in rectangle we see there are 4 sides, but the opposite sides are equal in case of rectangle. Coming to the next shape, that is triangle. In triangle, how many sides are there? Count. 1, 2, 3. So it has 3 sides. A triangle has, I'm writing, it has 3 sides. How do we identify a triangle? We will count the number of sides. A figure which will have 3 sides is called a triangle. Alright. Coming to the last figure or plane shape or plane figure is a circle. Do we have any side here? There is no side. So a circle has no sides. Okay, a circle has no side. It has only one curved line. Okay, so square, rectangle, triangle and a circle, they are called plane figures. A square has 4 sides. All the 4 sides are equal. A rectangle has again 4 sides, but in this case the opposite sides are equal. A triangle has 3 sides, and in all these 3 sides, not necessarily it has to be equal. It may be equal, it may not be equal. That means the 3 sides can be unequal, can be equal, or any of the 2 sides can be equal. Alright, so it will vary. Coming to the circle, in circle, do we have any side? We don't have any side, but it is made up of one curved line. Alright children, so I think you have understood what is plane figures and what are the different plane figures. So the main four plane figures are square, rectangle, triangle and circle. So what you are going to do, you will draw them in your copy. You will write